Hello, 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 everybody. It's Thursday. Whoop, whoop. Almost Friday. All right. So, if you are hopping on here, say hi for me. I'm going to wait just a second because I think I'm on a lag. Hold on. Okay. If you were watching last night, you may have seen... That's what I was looking for. You may have seen my video, the porch sign video, and I put a bow on it. And if you've watched any of my videos, you know that I suck at making bows. I am not good. It is bad, bad, bad. So, hey everyone, thanks for tuning in. If you're tuning in, say hi. So I have found this video, and it was by another chalk couture designer, I believe. And it's supposed to be like the world's easiest bow. And I tried it, and it's, for me, it was actually doable. So for you, that means you'll totally be able to do it, right? So I'm going to give it a shot here on the video. And then I will post the actual video that I watched to learn in the comment section so that if my instructions aren't clear, which they probably won't be, but I'm going to give it a shot, you can watch that video. Hey, Sherry, thanks for watching. Okay, so the first thing is you need your ribbon, and it needs to be wired ribbon. Oh, this isn't wired. Is it wired? It's not really wired, but that's okay. We're going to give it a shot. So I was going through my drawer. I have a ribbon drawer, and I realized that the majority of my ribbon is not wired, first of all, and it is very thin. So thicker ribbon, it looks like, after watching the video, it looks like thicker ribbon is going to be a little bit easier to work with. Wired ribbon is also going to be easier to work with from what I saw. You're going to cut your ribbon. This one is wired, so we'll see if that makes it easier. I don't know. You're going to cut your ribbon to 18 inches, is what it says in the video, at least. So now I know that I need to go buy more ribbon, except it's so expensive. Like, I feel like to make a bow, it's going to cost you like 10 bucks just in ribbon. I got to get it on sale or something. If anybody knows of any good ribbon sales, let me know. Okay. And I think in the video, she had more than that. That's the other thing I hate about ribbon. You get to the end of it and you're like, what the heck? I thought I had like 17 more feet of that. What on earth? Okay. So we're going to make this work with 5, apparently. Hold on, let me see if I have some. I might have some more burlap. Yes, I do. So if you go to the craft stores at the end of the season, you can get, so this is a $10 thing of ribbon, burlap ribbon that I got at the end of last fall. I want to say I got it for like $2 or $3. It was ridiculously cheap. And I like how it says wired edge ribbon, so you just have to read it to know. You don't have to actually figure it out. Okay. So let's get, I want to say she had like 7 of them in the video, 7 or 8. We're going to make this a nice big bow. Okay. All right, we got that. I have a Deco Exchange affiliate in the ribbon. Ooh, Deco Exchange. Sherry, send me a link. I've heard of them. Now that you bring that up, I have heard of that. Okay, because I just need to stock up on ribbon, you guys. If I'm going to figure out how to do this, I need ribbon to practice with, right? So, you are going to fold about halfway down, it looked like, and then pinch it like that. And so you've got all your little loopies on the top. So fold halfway down. And if anybody has any other tutorials for bows, I would love to see them. And then, whoops, pinch it that way. Why is it not? Am I doing it the wrong way? This one's not wired, that's why. Okay, fold it halfway down and pinch it. Guys, I'm not promising to be, what am I doing wrong here? See, even the easiest bow tutorials. There we go. There. Got it. It's hard to hold all this at once. That's what I'm figuring out. So you kind of fold it like in an M, I guess. Like that. If you want practice ribbon, go to, I can't see, go to Sam's Club and get Christmas ribbon. Ooh, okay. I don't have a Sam's Club membership, but my sister does. Okay, we need to go buy ribbon. Put another one in there. With this thick ribbon, it's a lot. Ugh, there we go. There's another one. And then you're also going to need a clear zip tie. I guess it doesn't have to be clear, but you're going to need a zip tie. Let's do one more. I don't know how she held this so well in the video. I'll post the video for you guys. There we go. This is a lot. And then you're going to zip tie. Ugh. I feel like this is way more than what she had in the video. God, I take the simplest things and I make them difficult. What is up with that? You want me to PM you my link or post it here? Either way, you can do both if you want. So if you want some ribbon, Sherry's going to post her link. There we go. Okay, and then let's fluff. And then go ahead and PM it to me too, so that way I have it. Fluff, fluff, fluff. Oops, I gotta cut. The only thing I think would be difficult with a ribbon like this would be getting it to lay flat, because there's so much ribbon here. So these chevron ones aren't gonna, because they're not wired. Is that better? I don't know. And then I'm gonna pull out my ends. Like that. Pull out the ends. If there's anybody else on here who's like really good at ribbons and you just wanna laugh at me now, feel free. Or not ribbons, bows. Okay, there. So I think if I like smush it down like that and then fluff it up maybe. There. It's not the prettiest thing ever, but it's way better than what I usually make. So I'm going to consider that a victory. And that's it, guys. That's all. Then you got to cut your ends however you want to do them. Oops. Like that. Whoops. I'm using my transfer scissors. I probably shouldn't be using transfer scissors. That's okay. They actually work pretty good. Hi Ashley, thanks for watching. Hey Teresa. It's okay, you don't have to lie if it doesn't look great. Tell me the truth. I find like the world's easiest bow tutorial video and it still doesn't look as good as hers. I'm like, oh. But hopefully that gives you guys an idea and then you can practice. I clearly need to practice a little bit more, but I think that looks better than what I usually make. It would be better if this was wired. The chevron ribbon is not wired. I feel like I could sit here. Oh, there we go. I feel like I could sit here and fluff this bow all day. And I would still be like, "Rrr." There. That's not bad. That's okay, right? And then you could just glue it down or whatever you need to do, I guess. There you go. There you have it. Elizabeth says it looks amazing, I think. I think it looks okay. That's not bad. This middle one's kind of bugging me. There we go. That's kind of cute. You guys are so nice. You don't have to be so nice. There you have it. That's all. Hold on. I think I may have missed comments. Just a second. Oh, Sherry posted her link to her deco exchange. Thank you, Ashley. Link. So if you want to get some cheap ribbon, which I think I'm going to be doing because I clearly need a little bit more practice. But there you have it. Isn't that cute? Now I need something to put it on. What am I going to put it on? I don't know. This might be a cute like Halloween sign. Put it on something Halloween. It's got like the black chevron. I like it. I love, love, love it. That's all I got for you guys. What was I going to say? Oh, tomorrow. So tomorrow, probably afternoon, late morning afternoon, I'm going to be adding some leaves to the porch sign that I did last night to kind of jazz it up a little bit. I've got a big open space that I want to fill up. So tune in tomorrow for that. And then, what else was I going to say? Oh, I will post in the comments, I'm going to post the video of the actual sped up tutorial that I watched in order to learn how to make a bow like this. And then you guys can see how much better she does it than I do. But it's a good start, right? It's a good start. And I imagine you could use thinner ribbon too and just make the loops smaller. So instead of doing 18 inches, maybe do, I don't know, 10 or 12 inches and kind of see how that works. But wired ribbon definitely works better because I can tell the difference. But anyway, thank you everybody for tuning in today, and and make sure you go vote for this or that Thursday. There's 2 different designs. Both of them I'm going to be doing in the next couple weeks on live. So make sure you let me know which one you like better, this or that. So thanks for tuning in, and I will see you guys later. Bye.